Namaste everyone and welcome to the second edition of Media Waves. I am Dushyant from grade 9
And I am Dakshita from grade 7.
I am Avishka Vardhan from UKG.
We are here to report the media waves of the month July 2025. The assembly is not just a routine, it is a moment to reflect, to express and to connect as one school family. Every morning, our assembly becomes a broadcast center where young minds become news reporters, thinkers, artists and achievers.
World Asteroid Day was observed with great enthusiasm and curiosity. Mrs. Arundhati Rao, our science faculty, delivered an informative talk. She explained what asteroids are, how they move through the space, and why scientists around the world observe the World Asteroid Day. To make the session more interactive, charts were displayed showing asteroid facts.
Success is a sum of small efforts repeated every day. Each classroom is assessed by certain portfolios to select the best class of the month. From grade 3rd and 4th, 3C is selected as the best class, and from grade 5 to 7, 7C is selected as the best class. My dear friends, join your hands together to make your class as the best next time.
On July 11th, our school observed World Population Day to create awareness about the growing population and its impact on the world. Mrs. Priya, our English faculty, gave a thoughtful speech in the morning assembly. To support the message, charts were displayed showing facts about population.
On July 15th, our school observed World Youth Skills Day to highlight the importance of skill development for young people. Ananya of grade 7 spoke in the morning assembly about the significance of the day. The event reminded us that skills are the tools for success and every young mind has the power to learn and grow.
The periodic test 1 was conducted for all grades in the month of July. Students appeared for the exam with dedication and sincere preparation. To honor academic excellence, the toppers from each grade were awarded in the morning assembly with star badges as symbol of their hard work, discipline and outstanding performance. Media Waves congratulates all the star performers and encourage every student to keep working and aiming high.
On July 26th, WPPS observed Kargil Vijay Divas during the morning assembly. As a part of the observance, informative and patriotic charts were displayed by the students, highlighting key facts about the war. A meaningful and inspiring talk was delivered by Social Studies faculty Ms. Sonia M. Thomas. She spoke about the courage, sacrifice and patriotism shown by the Indian soldiers.
The UKG kids got a wonderful opportunity to present their show and tell activity in the assembly. In our morning assembly, Priya ma'am shared the importance of discipline and values every child should follow at the school.
To vest the new leaders with responsibilities and authority, an investiture ceremony was organized at our school on 2nd July 2025. The chief guest of the day, Colonel Sanjay Balodi, honored the students by presenting flags and badges for the various houses. The ceremony was also attended by the principal, vice principal, headmistress and primary in charge. All of them played a significant role in the proceedings. The founder day of our institution was celebrated with great enthusiasm and reverence on July 3rd. The event served a tribute to our visionary founder, His Holiness Shri Vibhudeshi Tirtha Swamiji, whose efforts laid the foundation for the enthusiastic growth and success. The program commenced with a soulful invocation song, setting a serene and respectful tone for the occasion. This was followed by a speech by our headmistress Bhuvaneshwari ma'am and high school teacher Miss Cindy Matthew ma'am about our founder, highlighting his journey, vision and invaluable contribution towards shaping the institution's legacy. Following this, Ms. Sushma Fawzar delivered an engaging talk on Shubhanshu Sukla's space exploration, offering students an insightful perspective on India's growing achievements in field of space science. One of the highlights of the event was the release of Bala Patamala and Vidyarthi Hongirana, our institution's monthly subscriptions. Adding to the excitement, the launch of WPPS Waves news channel marked a significant milestone. Our chief guest, Mr. Inavamsi Yanaganti, Director of Param Science Center, Bangalore, then addressed the gathering with inspiring words. He emphasized the importance of innovation and scientific temper in education, motivating both students and teachers to strive for excellence. The day was made more interactive and fun with the Fun with Science show by the Param Science Center, which captivated the students with lab experiments and demonstrations. An immersive science exhibition was also organized, giving students a hands-on experiments with various scientific concepts and innovations. For our educators, special STEM Excellence Pathway training sessions was conducted, equipping teachers with innovative tools and methodologies to enhance classroom learning experiences. The Founder Day celebration successfully combined learning, inspiration and entertainment, staying true to the vision of our founder. The event concluded with a deep sense of pride and commitment among the students, staff and guests to carry forward the legacy of excellence.
On the occasion of Guru Purnima, we expressed our gratitude to our beloved Principal Ravi Sir for his guidance. We also took blessing from our respected coordinators, acknowledging their constant support in this journey. Lukala Day was full of smiles and happiness. All the little kids looked bright in different shades of blue. They sang songs, painted, and played happily. Rekha ma'am told us more about the color blue. UKG kids went on a fun-filled trip to the supermarket. They saw different sections like fruits, vegetables, and groceries. The trip helped them learn about shopping.
The first parent-teacher meeting of the academic year 2025-26 was held in July. It provided a platform for a meaningful interaction between parents and teachers, focusing on academics and gathering feedback for further improvements. Our school is proud to have a Scouts and Guides that fosters leadership and responsibility among students. Our school Scouts and Guides participated in the World Environmental Day celebration organized by Karnataka State Pollution Control Board on 17 June 2025 at Palace Ground, Bengaluru. They planted saplings and took part in interactive sessions which were focused on environmental conservation, proudly representing the school and showcasing their commitment to a greener future.
The Eco Club of our school conducted an awareness program on Project Dolphin during the morning assembly. Ms. Asha L. spoke about the importance of protecting dolphins and keeping water bodies clean. A pledge was led by Ms. Sushila Manjunath to care for aquatic life. A drawing competition was also held where students showed their creativity on the theme of dolphin conservation. A PowerPoint presentation was executed by our high school students on the topic Conservation of Dolphins. The team had taken oath with club members to conserve endangered species including dolphins. Gangotri International Public School has conducted inter-school singing competition on July 5th and our school has bagged third prize. National Public School Chit Banavara conducted inter-school sports meet on 22nd July and our girls basketball team were winners.
Me and my friends brought vegetable carvings and enjoyed singing Beke Beke Tarakari rhymes.
Mr. Rajkumar from Hyderabad conducted an interactive session on Vedic maths for grades 5 to 7. The 1-hour session was informative where students actively participated and learned simple and quick techniques to solve mathematical problems using Vedic maths. We have come to the end of our July News Bulletin.
Thank you for watching. Stay safe, keep learning, and see you next month. This is Dushant Raj
This is Dakshita.
This is Avishka.
signing off.